Well, you know, it all depends place to place. Here in San Francisco, people have really bought into the idea of masking. Those we speak with here are wondering whether reducing those restrictions might be a little bit too soon. And also medical experts are saying that even if they are eased, there are still certain places that you still might want to mask up. In the city and county of San Francisco, masks are required in public places, both indoors and out. And word the Centers for Disease Control may be easing its recommendations regarding masking has some local residents concerned it might be too soon.
I think we should keep it. We should keep it for a while until we have the situation under control a little bit more.
I think that people under the age of 16 need to be getting vaccinated in fairly large numbers, and then I'm all for it.
I think it's appropriate what the CDC is doing.
While COVID-19 risks are dramatically lower outdoors, UCSF infectious disease specialist Dr. Peter Chin Hong says there are still risks, and people should still consider masking in crowded outdoor environments like sports stadiums, concerts, amusement parks, farmers markets, and even a crowded food truck line.
There may be situations still, large crowds, uncontrolled, lots of noses and mouths together where wearing a mask would still be a good idea, particularly with some people not getting vaccinated as yet, maybe immunocompromised folks who don't have a response to the vaccine as they would have thought compared to the general population who is vaccinated, and with the variants circulating.
And we look forward to seeing the CDC guidance with regard to possible modifications of mask wearing requirements.
San Francisco Health Director Dr. Grant Colfax says whatever the CDC recommends, individual states and counties would have to sign off. He says 2/3 of eligible San Franciscans have already received one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. He says the more vaccinated, the quicker mandates can be eased.
Let's just focus on getting ourselves vaccinated as quickly as possible. And then again, we hope that the loosening of the mask restrictions will follow. We really need to get COVID-19 vaccinations to a somewhat higher rate, but we're making really good progress.
And Dr. Colfax says if that progress continues in terms of the vaccinations, he says that they should get up to 85% of San Franciscans eligible with one dose by mid-May, and both doses at 85% by mid to late June. That's if the progress continues at its current rate. Live in San Francisco, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.